Each year, more families discover the joy of boating. For many of us, that includes our dogs. Our furry friends are usually the most enthusiastic family members. However, it is often a challenge to find a safe and easy way to get your dog out of the water. Grabbing a dog by the collar or legs can injure both you and your dog. With few options available to make boating with your dog safe and easy, we sometimes have to disappoint man's best friend. Not any longer. Pup Gear Corporation, manufacturer of lifestyle products approved by dogs, presents Doggy Docks, the original, first-of-its-kind floating dog ramp that allows dogs to exit and enter the water without help. Doggy Docks is self-adjusting for different weight dogs. It is portable, lightweight, and attaches to most flat surfaces using our quick-release mounting kit. It can be permanently attached to a dock or pool deck. You can also attach it over a standard dock cleat. The Snap-Bag flotation system can be adjusted for any dog's weight by snapping it into different positions on the back of the ramp. To introduce your dog to the Doggy Docks, take a favorite toy and roll it gently down the dock. As the Doggy Dock submerges, the dog will continue to walk forward and begin to swim. Stand in front of the board as your dog swims to you. They will feel the board under their feet and naturally begin to walk back up the dock. Doggy Docks can be used on most boat platforms by using the Doggy Docks Flush Mount Attachment Kit or by strapping it around the platform. Doggy Docks also comes in a folding model for dogs up to 65 pounds. Folding Doggy Docks locks open with 2 sliding stabilizer bars. To fold, move the bars up or down as long as they are past the hinge. This system is fast and allows Doggy Docks to fold to half its size for easy storage. We recommend securing the stabilizer bars with a strap or bungee cord. If you use Doggy Docks in areas where the water level fluctuates, a Doggy Docks extension kit should be added to keep it from becoming too steep. The Doggy Docks extension kit is added to the end of the Doggy Docks with a coupler clamp that comes with pre-drilled holes and stainless steel screws. Adding 12 inches per extension, you can add up to 3 extensions. For larger dogs, we offer Jumbo Doggy Docks. Doggy Docks gives your dog the freedom to get out of the water and onto a boat, dock, or pool deck without any help. Yes, it will make your dog safer, it will keep you healthier, and it is easy to use. But best of all, dogs love it. Now you have a choice. Keep struggling to get your dog out of the water, or start using a Doggy Docks floating dog ramp by Pup Gear.